Hi, this is the WIKO U Pulse and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So open first the settings application and then tap to the sound section. Here you'll see media alarm and ringtone volume panels, and just to change the volumes we should swipe to the left or to the right side. These dots on each of the volume panel with our finger by the swipe. If you want to activate vibration or call for calls or to turn it off, click on this water. To activate a turn off don't disturb mode, tap on this section. You could also here use the automatic rules or to allow, for example, alarms, reminders, calls from any people's contacts only, or from no one or from anyone. Here we could change phone ringtone, notification and alarm ringtones. And in other sound settings, we got here dial buttons, screen lock and lock sound, touch sounds, and vibration on top options. So just activate or turn off all of these options, we should use the switchers. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.